Hello everyone, today we'll have stretching and do yoga position with exercises which help you to stretch your body and feeling better. Stay with me and we'll get work. First exercise, we will get sit in this position, take right leg more for ourselves and starting moving our hips that you can warm up and feeling your leg better. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When we'll get turning this side, you can slowly starting take this leg and pushing more for yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we'll slowly take the back, and after that, take this leg strong and do the same on another leg. Take your hip and move to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's take your leg and stretch more that you must feel your hips at this side is stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Then we'll take leg and slowly breathe out, going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you guys so much for your view. I hope that you like this video. Follow me, and if you want, you can send me super thanks. Bye bye.